The doctor is using a device. Ayan, Dok. Yung namumula yung ugat, Dok.
Ang pinaka-importante, ma'am, yung itim ng mata. Dapat wala lang siyang injury. Wala na. Can you look down? Look down, please. Okay. Look down. May kwan siya, ma'am. May maliit na gas-gas.
Oh my God.
Abrasion. That's okay.
Di man siya ano, Dok?
Hindi man delikado.
Na.
As long as yung ating cornea, yung itim.
Hindi matamaan. Ang talingay, Dok, wala man nagano.
Ang ano, ma'am?
Kaya doon cotton buds, bisya, di ko balaan kung... Kaya man tamaan ka kabalan ka ba? Oh, the doctor will check your ears.
Let's look at the monitor.
Look at the TV. This is the TV. Yeah, your ears.
Look inside. What's in here?
Tutuli.
Don't move. Ay, tutuli siya.
Tutuli siya. Adlok, may ko magtuslok si na, Dok. Ginatutulian ko siya ng sagwa lang gid ba lang sa sulod. Wala ko na ginatuslok.
Ay. Di ba, okay man lang eh. Pero may wax din ng dry.
May dry wax siya.
Oo, may tone na siya. Sige lang. Hindi ka lang pagkulikuton.
Oo. Nahadlok gani ko.
Eardrop, pagkapasokay na pamukon ka siya ba? Pero after a week siguro, ibalik mo siya kay flush na sa tubig.
Ay, sige. Kay minsan makati daw ears niya.
Oo, makati.
Ano pati ngipin, ipacheck mo pa. Hindi na dentist.
Ang throat lang. Say
Ipacheck kita na yan.
Pag-ikon mo ng teeth mo. Very nice.
Where's your tonsils? Kaya.
Tonsils.
Tabas.
You want to look at the tonsils.
Okay na. What can you say to the doctor?
My finger's so ouchy. my head is ouchy. Ouchy head.
Ano? Ang mata niya, Dok, may drops ba yan na ilagay? Meron.
Please,
Na, you must be careful. You poke your eyes.
my head is bumping. I don't play my friend again.
Ah, okay.
I'm not to play.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
That's okay.
I'm sorry I play with a friend.
That's okay.
You play it now and you stop playing. Or doctor is so happy.
Ah, okay.
Look up seeds.
Ah, okay.
And now first go out and run.
Ah, okay. Do you feel better now? Do you feel better now?
Oh no, my nipples.
Eh,
My nipples so hurt.
wala, tingin daw. Daw. Ngipin niyo so hurt. Wala man, wala gani cavities ngipin mo. Idoy,
My nipples. Oh, my nipples so hurt. Oh my god, my nipples.
I'll take it out. But I'm afraid it will bleed. Magdugo. Are you not afraid of dugo? Of blood? Not afraid? Okay lang. It's okay. We'll take it out. How many?
One,
Everything?
two.
Just two?
It's two, four.
What about if I'd like to take it all? Everything na lang. Okay lang? Let's take your ngipin, all of it.
Oh no.
Oh no.
You're silly, Gab-Gab. You're silly.
Look at my teeth.